The amount of waste generated continues to increase due to the increasing population and developments, and only less than 5% of the waste is being recycled. Currently, over 23,000 tons of waste is produced each day in Malaysia. However, this amount is expected to rise to 30,000 tons by the incoming year. Solid waste is one of the three major environmental problems in Malaysia. It plays a significant role in the ability of nature to sustain life with a capacity.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Solid waste may be defined as a heterogeneous mass of thrown away from the urban community, as well as the more homogeneous accumulations of agricultural, industrial, and mineral waste. Otherwise, it may be defined as materials that do not represent major outputs of market product and serve no productive or constructive purpose to its producer, which is justify its disposal. Generally, a solid waste represents those things which are unwanted, useless, and not needed by someone. Solid waste can pollute air, water, and soil and leave various environmental impacts and cause health hazard. There are potential risks to environment and health from improper handling of solid waste. For the general public, the main risks to health are indirect and arise from the breeding of disease vectors, primarily flies and rats. There are many sources of solid waste, garbage, and sweeping, which include agricultural, mining, building and construction, industry, housing, homes, office, supermarkets, restaurants, hospital, shop, educational institutions, and others. But the most issue comes to the municipal solid waste from a community. Municipal solid waste from a community having a mixed household and residential waste, which is garbage, food waste, and recyclables. Recyclables such as newspaper, aluminum cans, milk carton, plastic soft drink bottles, steel cans, corrugates, cardboards, other material collected by the community.
The existing landfills are neither well equipped or well managed, are not lined properly to protect against contamination of soil and groundwater. Over the last few years, the consumer market has grown rapidly, leading to products being packed in cans, aluminum foils, plastics, and other such non-biodegradable items that cause incalculable harm to the environment. One positive note is that in many large cities, shops has begun packing items in reusable or biodegradable bags.
Certain biodegradable items can also be composted and reused. In fact, proper handling of the biodegradable waste will considerably lessen the burden of solid waste that each city has to tackle.
Are you all my personal dreams?
The best solution for this solid waste problem by using automatic waste collection system, which enable automatic solid waste collection based on pneumatic conveying technology.
This system ensures cleanliness, safety, space, and energy savings. The use of automatic waste collection system increases waste sorting and recycling. Communal areas are safer without garbage traffics. In addition, odors, pests, and emissions related to waste collection are minimized. The system conveys waste and recyclables through underground or above-ground pipelines from the waste collection point. The system may include both residential waste collection station and bigger commercial waste collection station. These vacuum conveying systems are designed for industrial use, responding to the requirements of the food processing industry for handling and conveying different types of materials ranging from waste, byproducts, and raw material to final edible products. This vacuum waste transport system for handling waste and byproduct are both highly efficient and hygienic, and offer excellent safety and ergonomics as well. This is an intelligent waste sorting and recycling solution. It is also used the RFID-based solution improve the waste management. The benefits of the solution include the simpler waste sorting at household level, and the enhanced sorting and recycle at the waste treatment plants, the reduced quantity of mixed waste, the improved rate of waste to energy, the collection of plastic bags instead of sending them to landfill sites. The waste ends up into containers in a waste transfer terminal. One waste truck is collecting all the fraction, thus reducing drastically the heavy vehicle traffic and reduce toxic emission these products.
So, for the system is suitable for all applications such as hospitals, resident areas, industrial areas and shopping centers, sport complex, hybrid and mobile system. Previously, it was a place to collect rubbish through by irresponsible parties. But taking garbage all this time not only cause bad smell but also endanger the health of the local community. However, as not the type of garbage that is often dumped in the area is garbage that consists of food waste, including food and beverage packaging materials. The discarded item also often consists of containers that can hold water and become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Apart from that, rubbish consisting of sharp objects such as a broken glass and cut can will also cause the contaminated area to be dangerous to safety. Uh, from what has also been observed, the main item of garbage dumped in the area are plastic objects, especially plastic bags and plastic bottles. As it will know object made of conventional plastic do not really easy and if not clean it will remain to contaminate the area. Apart from the impact on the environment, one of the effects of garbage disposal is negative visual effects. It can also affect the image of the area and can also give the impression that the residents in the area are not cleaners, even if only due to a part of the community only.
However, it has been cleaned and there is no more garbage in this area. This is because with the installation of signboards, it is forbidden to dispose of garbage here, giving awareness to all parties to be concerned about the pollution of the garbage dump.
Therefore, this strategy is the best approach so that it can want all parties to maintain the sustainable of the area. With an exponentially increasing population, it is even more important to be considered about how well individuals take care of the planet. Land is limited, resources are limited, and the health of the plant can only be hurt to a limited extent. As more and more waste is generated yearly, it is evident mitigate the immediate consequence of this large waste production. However, if the problem of the waste is generated in the first place, the challenge of finding environmentally feasible ways of disposing of waste will be much easier. Efficient and effective solid waste management of society can lead the community towards sustainable development.